interrupted with the Microsoft.Data.Sqlite Library DLL blocking Microsoft.Data.Sqlite Runtime workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting from Microsoft.Data.Sqlite Library, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the Microsoft.Data.Sqlite Library, the Microsoft-supported ADO.NET provider for SQLite. It manages the localized data link for modern .NET 8 applications to communicate with SQLite databases. If missing, specialized CRM or engineering tools will crash citing an unable to load provider factory exception. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This problem points to a breach in your Windows system files. Use the system file checker by entering sfc/scan now into an elevated command prompt, which will allow the OS to verify and restore the authentic version of Microsoft Data.Sqlite Library DLL. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Microsoft Data.Sqlite Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace Microsoft Data.Sqlite Library DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to Microsoft Data.Sqlite Library. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Microsoft Data.Sqlite Library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.